So from dividend investing alone, this is me investing into the stock market, investing to stocks that pays dividends to where I'm able to earn income every single month by literally doing absolutely nothing at all. This is the most passive income way that I have of all 6 of my income streams. This is the most passive way, is dividend investing. And what I do with my dividends, I reinvest them back into these companies so I can make even more dividends in the future. So I started off getting maybe 6-7 cents per month in dividends, but as I continue to reinvest into these companies and actually reinvest these dividends back into these companies, I'm gonna show you how it grown from 7 cents to $1, $10 a month, $20 a month, $40 a month, and now I'm at $68.59 a month in dividend passive income. So let me plug that in right quick and show you guys exactly how that's gonna play out. And then we're gonna go into passive income stream number 2.